Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first episode to create a static website using Bootstrap 4. Bootstrap is one of the popular responsive CSS framework. It contains CSS and JavaScript based design templates for forms, button, navigation and other useful components. Today, I'll show you how to add Bootstrap CSS and JS in your project. We'll also add Font Awesome, Google Font, SCSS and other necessary things. By the end of this course, we'll complete building this simple corporate website. We got header, hero carousel, about us, services, works, themes, testimonial, pricing and plans, blog, contact us, and footer. If you're interested to see a demo of this website at your end, or if you want to download this project from my GitHub account, then feel free to check the link in the description below. Now let's get started by creating a new folder for this project. So in the desktop, I'll create a folder called corporate. Then in my text editor, Visual Studio Code, I will open that folder. And then I will create a new HTML file and then save it as index.html. Then I will create another new CSS file and then I will create a new folder called CSS and save it as main.css. Likewise, I will create new JavaScript file and then I will create a new folder, call it JS and then write it as main.js. Since this is a Bootstrap project, I'm not gonna work on any CSS or SCSS code. So what I will do is I will copy this completed SCSS code, and in order to compile this SCSS into CSS, I will use Voila software. Here we just have to click on this plus icon so that we can add our project. Once it is added, we can see that the SCSS file is compiled inside this SCSS folder as main.css, but we want to compile it inside this CSS folder. So right click on it and you will see different options over here, and out of that option you can click on this set output path and then you can choose the file and click on save. You can click on replace it. Now you can open your main.scss and just save this page, and then if you go to main.css you will see all the CSS file over here. Now let's add Google Font and Font Awesome. I will change this title from document to corporate. Then let's import our main.css. Also let's import this main.js as well. Now finally, let's add Bootstrap CSS and JS. So open the new tab and you can search for Bootstrap 4. You can click on this newer version, then click on get started, and for the CSS you can simply copy this CDN link. I will paste it just before the custom CSS. Then we need this JS file as well. So I will copy all of them and then paste it just before the custom JS. So the first one is the jQuery CDN, so I'll just write it jQuery CDN. Then the second one is the popper JS. And the last one is the Bootstrap JS. Since we have imported all the necessary things, it's time for us to test whether Bootstrap is working or not. So go to the components and let's add any one of these simple alert box. So copy any one of the div and you can paste it over here. Now refresh the site and you can see the simple alert box. Everything seems to work fine except the font, and you are seeing the different font because of our custom CSS. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll be working on a header. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.